Namaste everyone, this is Rupi Raja and today I will give the IPO review for Arunya Organics. Talking about Arunya Organics Limited, it was incorporated in the year 2010 and it is a Gujarat-based manufacturer and exporter of specialty dyes and dye intermediates serving industries such as textiles, paints, plastics, mining and food processing. The company produces a range of products including reactive acid, direct, basic and solvent dyes as well as dye intermediates available in forms like standardized spray dried or tray dried powders, granules, crude, reverse osmosis treated products and salt-free options. Talking about the IPO details, issue type is book build offering, issue size is close to 34 crore comprising a fresh issue of 30.5 crore and a offer for sale of 3.5 crore by promoter Shivali Agrawal. The price band of this IPO is 55 rupees to 58 rupees per share and the lot size is 2000 shares minimum. So the investment for retail investors vary between 1,16,000 to 1,91,958 rupees. Issue date of the IPO says that the open date is April 29, 2025 and it closes on May 2, 2025. Allotment day is May 5, 2025 and the listing date is May 7, 2025 and it will list on the tentative NSE Emerge SME platform. Talking about the share reservation, the qualified institutional buyers will invest up to 20% of the IPO. Non-institutional investors can invest up to 40% of the IPO and retail investors can invest up to 40% in the IPO. Lead managers are Unistone Capital Private Limited and the registrar are Big Share Services Private Limited. Talking about the objectives of the IPO issue, from the net proceeds of the fresh equity share issue, the company will utilize 11.79 crore for capex on new manufacturing facility at Dahej in Gujarat. The 9 crore will be used for the working capital requirements of the company and the rest 13.2 crore will be used for generate corporate purposes. Talking about the financial performance, the revenue of the company was 62.79 crore in the financial year 2024 and it reduced from 76.37 crore in the year financial year 2023. For the time period ending December 31, 2024, the revenue was 58.21 crore. Talking about the profit after tax, it was up from 1.73 crore in financial year 23 to 4.06 crore in financial year 2024 and the annualized profit after tax was 4.8 crore for the financial year 2025. Talking about the business strength, the company has a diversified portfolio product. It has strong financial metrics and the company has good export potential because the company has focus on international markets because they want to enhance their growth prospects and they have stable client relationships. Talking about the risk factor, there is high competition in the sector the company is operating in. The second most important risk factor I found was about the promoter offer for sale, wherein the promoter will exit from this company and this potentially dampens the investor confidence. If the promoter itself is selling the shares of the company, it puts question on the promoter's intention to bring in more profits. And the third risk factor is small scale of the company. The company has limited production capacity and a workforce of 36 and it will definitely not help the company scale in the future. So talking about my personal opinion, you should avoid this IPO because even though the IPO offers a compelling opportunity in the specialty chemical sector with a reasonable valuation of a price to earning ratio of 21.21 and small financial metrics, the company's diverse product portfolio, expert focus and expansion plans are positive. But the revenue volatility, small scale of the company and the promoters offer for sale tempers the enthusiasm of the IPO. So that's all for today's IPO review. Hope you like the video. Thank you. This is Rupi Raja.